One of the biggest complaints that online students have about taking online classes is the lack of human presence. Not only other students, but more importantly, their instructors. A lot of instructors seem to think that teaching an online class means that they just have to go into Blackboard and send out an occasional announcement. They just have to send out emails to their students. But what I found, one of the best ways that I connect with my students is to send out a weekly video. So in other words, just like you're seeing right now, I'm using the same camera, the same environment. I will go in for every class, every section, and I will create a weekly briefing video, usually about 3 to 5 minutes, where we do some housekeeping in the class. I tell them what's going on that week. I point out the highlights of our lesson. I point out any stumbling blocks that students may have fallen into in the past. I use it for housekeeping, like upcoming exam announcements, or if there's anything those students need to know about. So the big thing is your students get an opportunity to see you and to hear you. You become a real human being to your students. And I've noticed that in my evaluations over the last few years. My online students constantly gush about the fact that they know there is an actual human being. Because some students, it's very safe to say, some students will think that you are a bot, especially as we have continued dialogues about artificial intelligence. Some students will think that you are an automated bot unless they can see you, unless they can hear you. The other nice thing is sometimes when discussions get heated via email, where you don't have body language, where you don't have tone, where you don't have facial features, I always tell my students, if you think that I'm getting angry with you, I want you to watch one of my videos and imagine that I'm having this conversation to you in that tone. And it's kind of a nice way to diffuse textual conflicts, because you are having organic interactions with your students because they are watching you on the video.